Hello guys, this is another video about how to keep your birds tame, the young birds. This is what I feed them as a dessert. They already been fed, they're drinking their water, and now I give them like a little bit of dessert every night. Peanuts, they're half and they have no skin on them, and I break this in half for an easier ingestion. If they are too big or too long, they have sharp corners, they might vomit them, so I break them in quarters, like that. You see that? Now let's give them some. Also guys, the main reason I keep my birds tame, it is not for the pleasure of seeing them landing from the top of the house on my shoulder or on my hand. It is for an easy check, and also to keep a very trustful relationship between the birds and me. So when I will call them, they will answer. That's the reason. You want to have your birds tame. See guys? Everybody must get about 8 or 10 quarters of peanuts. So I'll break them in quarters and I sell them to pigeons. They love them. They absolutely love them. But again, this you must give them after they've been fed, because otherwise they will skip the meal. And always, I'll give them always on the night side. Okay? One by one, you must get their share. See? One here. Some John Adine's birds in here, guys. This is the John Adine bird I'm feeding now. See, they're not scared. That's the main reason, guys. It's very easy to check them. And also what I have discovered in this sport, especially on the racing pigeon sport, you need a strong hat, because people will land on your hat. So make sure you got a strong hat on your head. Yeah. They really trust me. I think they like me. But anyway, I like them. See what I told you, you need a strong hat, guys. You definitely do. For the older ones, like this one here is first series bird. And it's blue-pied. You'll have no problems eating half peanuts. Yeah. I have to look after this one as well. See guys, that's what I'm talking about. They really trust you. People who think that if your birds are tame and you race them, they will land on the first person they see on their way back. It's absolutely rubbish, guys. Absolutely don't trust them. Yeah. See what I mean? This is a very young bird. I've just weaned this one. John Adine bird, and I just weaned it for about a week. He's got a week on the young bird's loft. This is an older one, I like this one. This is Jonathan as well. This blue one here, it's also a young bird. Very young one. It's just about 5 days, 4 or 5 days since I weaned him from the parents. And I think he's gonna be an awesome bird. He's very, very healthy. Also guys, the importance of giving them peanuts starts from the soon as they leave their nest, you start presenting the parents peanuts, and the young birds will start eating with the parents. And when you wean them, when you bring them in the young bird's loft, first or second day after you wean them, they will not really eat the food, but they will eat the peanuts because they're really tasty and they love them. So you will rest assured that your birds have eaten on that day. See what I mean? They don't eat too much food in the morning, on moment of weaning, but they do eat peanuts, and this is really important because you don't want your birds to be left unfed, or you know what I mean. Okay guys, so remember, having 10 birds, it's a trustful relationship and very easy to check them. You see, you can handle them, they will come to you, they like you, they like your presence, they're not starved, they're not scared. You see, they really like your presence around them. See, I pick them up very easy and I check them. I check them for parasites, external parasites. I check them how the molting is going on. He's on the secondary feather, there is no lice on them. So this is good, guys. So that is the purpose for having tame birds. Be careful with your eyes, guys. If they sit on your shoulder, the bigger peanuts, they won't really like them. Okay guys, till the next video, take care and keep your birds tame and happy.